It's a beautiful day. Alright guys, so welcome back to Stuck in an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. I just got off the live with you guys not too long ago, so those of you who are my very first live, meaning I was doing something and not just sitting at home talking to you guys, big up on yourself. Trying to put my phone away really quick, and we are gonna do this. I think it's called a snake walk. In that morning video where I showed you me out there, that's where we're gonna be going right now, really quick. So I'm using my other camera, which is gonna be really good for that because it's got the mic on top. All right, give you guys a quick look at what I'm seeing. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at all that beautiful. All right.
Spend some time forever. We'll never feel that anymore. We'll be playing.
All right. This is what it looks like. We're right at the edge of the cliff. It's pretty awesome over there, guys. Like, yo, it's a beautiful thing. I can tell you that. Beautiful thing, beautiful day, beautiful weather. Like, yo, it's awesome. Super awesome. All right, so we had to just sort some stuff out just now, but now we are on the trail finally. So I'll change the perspective and show you guys, you know, what it looks like. So pretty much, it's like you're on the edge of a cliff. Oh, look at this. Look at this. What? This is dope. So here we got a thatch to the roofing thing going on, and then a swing bed. I'm definitely coming out here tonight, that's for sure. So the entire time you're walking, it feels like you are at the edge of the cliff. Not dangerously at the edge, but you're at the edge. There's some form of gazebo over there. Want to go take a quick look, babe? You gotta be careful here. Well, that's why I kind of got Crocs, because they're pretty comfortable. And yeah, they're mostly slip resistant as far as I'm concerned. When I used to work in the kitchen, we used to use these. So I don't know. This is just basic. I don't know if this is going to be where they'll perform tonight, because they're going to have like on a Saturday they have an entertainment time. So if you guys want to do that, come during the weekend. Yeah, it's pretty basic, nothing spectacular. But yeah, it's pretty dope. But yeah, so I wonder if Motorbike could have walked barefoot out or something. Because, trust me, these rods are short. Alright, so we're back on the snake trail. Whew. It's pretty nice out. I'm glad that we got some sunshine, and we also have another swinging thing over here, hammock thing over here. We're definitely coming out here tonight, that's for sure. Oh my God. My God. Yo, this is dope. Okay, I think here has the kind of photo that I would like. Sit at the edge. there if you were adventurous enough. You could like, but I'm not about that right now. Beautiful. Nice and serene. I think over there might be some other kind of resort. I don't know. Alright. Ooh, now we see a common area. Nice little common area over here. So we just got some it's like some stone done kind of chairs, but I don't think it's for this place. It looks like it's for that house because it matches that color scheme. I don't know. Whatever. Oh yeah. Snake Trail continues. I can see like some beach tables or beach chairs. Not beach tables. What did I say? The benches where you can just relax on and get a suntan, but I got beautiful skin already. I don't need that. And then we're going all the way down. Babe, reach for me. Going for it. Come. What are you looking for?
Huh? It's done?
Is it? I was hoping that it would have like just one last grandeur.
Maybe that's why it has a bench. That's it?
I was hoping to have like one last stop, just like a circular part, and you could just look out, but no. It comes down here. Maybe eventually they will do it, but yeah,
Like clean it up.
this is where it's at. Okay, let's go back. Alright, so we pretty much just got to the end of... Hey, how are you? We just got to the end of the trail just now, and Judah wants to go see the Sea Garden. As I said before, one of my main agendas is to get to Boston Jerk. I gotta be looking down because like I'm walking somewhere pretty dangerous and talking to you guys. I want to get to Boston Jerk so I can, you know, do a food video there. For those of you who don't know, Boston is kind of like a couple years ago, I don't know how good it is now. People always just talk about Boston as in they have the best jerk. I don't know. I can't talk about it. I'll go there and I'll see how good it really is. But we're gonna check out the Sea Garden, as Judah said. We also want to go to Blue Lagoon. Judah needs to get into a bikini. And then maybe we can do that tomorrow, you know, before we leave or something. But let's see.
What's the shame of ladies?
The babe. She seen me about to film these stuff, but she about to stomp them. Oh snap! Yeah, these things.
Well, you
they
gotta
step on.
stomp it now so they can see what's popping.
So why do you have to hurt them? Why you can like do
That's
something?
gently, like get my petty, get my.
Look at that.
Is that? Oh. Shame old lady.
If I remember the stories quite correctly, the slave owners used to use these things to see where the Africans were running. So like when they ran through a particular part, if these things were closed, you know that someone came through. So Judah said, "Oh, I want to see the Sea Garden." TO2SEA.
Guys, I just glimpsed it.
Great.
And thought something, okay? Like
I'm gonna show you guys.
we're gonna go find a pool.
Yeah, she wants to find a pool. These are sea grapes. So they're like grapes, but they're the sea versions. I'm trying to find some that's on the tree. Up there, you can see them. Let me try to zoom in for you guys. sea grapes. Yeah. I don't think they taste that fantastic, but yeah. And of course, those are noni plants here as well. Anyway, so that was it for the sea garden. We're going to the pool now. Let's see. The pool area, let's see.
I'm gonna ask somebody. I'm going to ask.
I don't know where it is either, but it's somewhere on that side, towards there. So we can just follow the trail if you want.
ladies inside. That's what I'm looking for.
You gonna go in there and ask her?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ain't nobody playing hide and seek, big.
Go on with your fine self.